Okay, then let's continue. Let's say we want to apply this application or the gadget we're making and put it in Google Wave. So actually what you need first is go to this website. Oh, sorry. Go to this website. Yep. This URL, or you can search for it as long as you're able to type the wave-us-client. So in the feature downloads, you're able to see here, and just also look at it here. So actually you're able to see the wave-as-client 04 that's WIC, and there's a wave-as-client 04 that's zip. So I recommend you download this one because it got all the files we need. Okay, so what is actually the wave-as-client for? So it's like a compiled action script, and it would be like some sort of mediator for Flex, enable for Flex to use the Google API. So the Wave action script is calling the JavaScript Google API, and then the Flex is calling the Wave action script. So it's actually the Wave action script is in the middle. Okay, so just download this one, and I think I was able to download that one, and I already got it here. Okay, and so let's proceed to the Flash Builder. Back to Flash Builder, and just click File, and then Import, and then Flash Builder project. Okay, and then just go browse, and yep, go directly to the downloaded file. So this one, the downloaded zip file. Okay, you open it and then finish. Yep, just gonna pop out here. Just use the default SDK. That's okay. And yeah, if you want to save it, just okay. It's okay. Okay, so it got appeared here. It's like some sort of new project there. Okay, but you're able to see the warnings. There are 3 warnings. So for wave-as-client, if you're importing it in Flash Builder and using Flex 4, there's some formatted functions that are not compatible, so you just have to edit the action script, wave.action script. So don't worry, it's pretty easy. It's just we can double click here, go directly to the action script editor, and there's it, the file wave.us. Okay, so you just have to put here, let's say state callback not equals to null. That's it, and just double click on the other one of the same participant callbacks not equal to null. And then here it works for Flex 3 Builder and Flex Builder and lower versions, but for Flash Builder Beta and Flex 4, you have to change it to Flex Global, and then this one to top level application. Okay, and just save it, and that is okay. So after you can close that already. So after that, you just go to your Flex Wave Gadget project we made. So just right click, properties, and then go to build path, Flex build path, and then there we go. I have to add a project and add the project wave-as-client. Okay, and then just okay. So as you notice, you can have reference libraries, and you can have that wave-as-client SWIC and all this one. Yep, that's it. That's all the files we need. More rest, we still have to copy something here after we're able to publish a release build here. Okay, but let's just proceed here first. Okay, so how we gonna do? How can we call the wave? So actually, it's just pretty easy. So like for example, we just have to create a variable. Let's say I'm gonna make it as a public so that I'll be able to use it in one of my components if we're able to add. Okay, so or able to call it in one of the MXL components. So anyways, public variable, and then I'm gonna name it as wave, small letters, and then the data type would be the wave. So as you can see here, there's a com.next generation app that wave that gadget. Okay, so I'll just make it as wave in general. Okay, and then semicolon. So as you notice, it got imported here. So actually that wave file is imported here. So that's why we're able to use it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so after that, let's create a function, private function, and then I'll just call it init, so that I'm gonna call that function by the time it's gonna be the first function to be called, and there's no parameter, and then of course data is void, and then okay, so I'm just gonna create a simple if statement here, like if not wave or doesn't contain anything, then I'm gonna create wave is equal to a new wave. That's it, and then parentheses. Then that's it. Okay, and after that, you're just gonna have wave that's set state callback, and I'm just gonna have one parameter, just the callback function, and I don't want to specify an object to be passed on to the callback function. So just gonna create, I'm gonna name the callback function as state exchange, and that's it. So after that, I'm just gonna create function here, private function state exchange. So it has to be the name, right? Callback function, and then I'm gonna have a variable state, and its data type is universal, to all, that can accept all data types, and then void enter. So that's it. So before that, I just want to create a function here. We can call the create complete function, and it's gonna trigger, I don't want to generate a handler for that, because the function that I just want to call is the init. So what is actual creation complete function? Oh, it's by the time all the components is loaded, it will trigger the init function, and that's it. So let's proceed. Don't worry guys, just gonna leave it here blank, because let's proceed here first.